Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn about circle equation. So first thing we will see about circle. Given is equation and we need to find center and radius. Next we will learn about given is center and radius and we will write down equation of circle. Then we will find let's say given is equation, and from that information we will find again radius and center. So in beginning we will do easy problem, and as we go we will see little tough problem. So let's see here. So first thing we have circle equation. That is standard form. We need to memorize this. Also you will see this concept in SAT math test. So that's a strategy also you can remember. This equation we need to memorize. So where H and K, it is center of circle and R is radius. So this part you need to memorize. All right, so this one you need to memorize. So if you need to draw a circle from here, whatever your center, you will find it, and then you will say what is your radius is. So here we have center, HK, and radius is R. Okay, so let's see example we have here. Find center and radius of equation. So here we have given this equation. So first thing we can see that is a circle equation. We have x something square plus y something square equal r square. So that is my circle equation. So first thing we need to compare with standard equation of circle. So what is standard equation? We have standard form. We have this x minus h square plus y minus k square equal r square. So now you can compare, well, wherever center is hk, so what is your center is? H is 3 and k is 4 and r square is 4. Remember this, don't forget that is 4 is r square. That's not radius. That's not radius. So here we have center is 3, 4 and radius is r square is 4. So square root of r square is r, square root of 4 is plus or minus 2, but here we have distance, so we will just take positive 2. So remember, you just need to memorize standard form of circle equation, and then you can just compare. So second one we will take, so see here is x minus h square, right, and plus y minus k square equal r square. So what is your h is? So you can rewrite this equation x minus negative 5 square plus y minus 3 square equal 6 here. So now we can see instead of h we have negative 5. So your center is negative 5 and k is 3. What is your radius is? Radius is r square is 6. So now we will do square root on both sides, which is square root of 6. Okay. Let's see, next one. We have fraction here. That's okay. We just need to compare this equation with standard form. X minus h. So instead of h, what do you have? Center is 1/2. And what is y coordinate of center? Is 3/4. And what is radius? Radius, that is r square. R square is 10. And square root of r square is r. Square root of 10 is square root 10. Okay, so that's how you can find equation of circle in, center and radius. So let's see this one. Pause this video and try to do by yourself. You can compare with the standard form. So see, we can rewrite this x minus 1 square. I don't have anything here, y minus anything, so you can just say y minus 0 square equals 16. So instead of h, what do you have? That is your h, that is your k. So h is 1 and k is 0. And what is radius is? R square is 16. So r is 4. So radius is 4. Let's see next one. We don't have anything here, x minus, so you can rewrite so you can see better. What do you have in standard form? So see, your h is 0, k is 0, so your center is origin. And your radius, that is r squared, so we can say square root 7. Let's see, one more we have, you can rewrite again, I need minus sign here, so you can say x minus negative 2 plus y minus 7 square equal 1. So you can see negative times negative will become positive, and also we will get in standard form. So your h is, what is your h is? Negative 2, and k is, that is your h, that is your k, and that is your r. I mean r square. So your center is negative 2, 7, and radius is r square is 1, square root of 1 is 1. So that's how you can find center and radius from given equation. So let's see now. We can see more problems, different types of question. It says write the equation. We have question is write circle equation from given information. What is given information is center. Center is 3, 5, and radius is 2. So simply we need to know standard form of circle equation. What it is? X minus h square plus y minus k square equal r square. So your center is hk. So instead of hk, you just need to write the center. So that is your h, and that is your k, and that is your r. Right, so we can just plug in this number, x minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square equal r square, which is 2 square, which is, instead of 2 square, we can write directly 4. All right, let's see next one here. So that is your h, and that is your k, that is your r. So x minus negative 5 whole square plus y minus 8 square equal r square, means 5 square is 25. Now we need to give little bit simplify here. Negative negative will become positive. So you will say x plus 5 square y minus 8 square equal 25. So that is equation of circle. We found it. All right. Let's see what is next one is. A circle in a xy plane has the equation is this. It's not in standard form. What is the center of the circle? So first thing, we need to create standard form from this equation. So we are seeing here, we have x squared and we have x term here. And then we have y squared and we have y term here. Right? And we have constant, we will just write down on the other side. So we can just rearrange them. We will write down x squared term together. All right. And we will keep space here to write square of binomial, because what is our standard form? See, we have square here, so we need to make perfect square of binomial here. Same thing with y, and here we have r square. So now we will write down all y term here, y square plus 12y. Again, we have to make perfect square, so we have to add something here to make perfect square. In 34, we can add 34 on both sides, so we will get 34. Now, thing is, whatever I will add here, I have to add on other side also. So I have to add same thing twice here, something, right? So what I will add here to make perfect square? So here is the rule. If I have to make perfect square and we have first term and second term, what I will do, I will take coefficient of x, which is -8, make half of that and do square. So -8/2, which is -4, and you will do square, which is 16. So you will add 16 here. Same thing, you can do what we need to add. So you do 12, you will do 12 divided by, let me do it here. So we have 12 divided by 2, and you do square. So 6 square is 36. So we need to add 36 on both sides. We have equation. So whatever I will do on left hand side, I have to do on right hand side. It has to be in balance, right? So now we can write square of binomial. So let's see here. We have first three terms. We can make square of binomial. In second part, we have square of binomial again. So we will just take square root of x squared, which is x, middle term sign, which is minus, square root of 16 is 4 square, okay, plus square root of y square is y, middle term sign, which is plus, square root of 36 is 6 square. And now we can just add together 34 plus 16. So that's 10, 40, 50, 50 plus 36, 86. Okay. Now we can find center. So what center we will get and what radius if we need to find. So center is, if you will compare again with standard form, you have x minus h square plus y minus k square equal r square. So center, you will get, see, that is your h. You have to rewrite negative, negative. So you will take 4 and -6, and radius is square root of 86. Now, can we simplify here? Can we divide by 4? Can we divide by any perfect square? No, we cannot. So that is your final answer. Let's say we have one more different type of problem, especially for SAT test. So let me go over with that. Let's say we have circle endpoints is 3 and 5, and let's say we have 3 and 5 and 7 and 9. Find circle equation. So if we need to find circle equation, that means we need to find center and radius. There's two information we need to write equation of circle. So here we have endpoint. So let's understand this question. We have circle, right? We have circle here. So it says 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point. And we have other point is 7, 9. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have, let's say, 9 somewhere here. We have somewhere here. So that is end point of circle. So you have circle like this. So this is 7, 9. And here we have 3, 5. So you need to find center and you need to find radius. So center of these 2 points, that means how we will find it. If you watch video to how to find midpoint, that means center of 2 points, right? So we can use that formula. First thing we will find center, midpoint. Which one it will give you center? Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So we have here, we have that you can use either one of that is x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have x1, let's say we have 3, x2 is 7, and y1 is 5, y2 is 9 square. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So your center is 5, 7. That will be your center. Now we need to find its radius. So how we will find radius from here? So you can find this distance in between, or you can find distance between these two endpoints and divide by 2. Distance between two endpoints will give you diameter. But we need to find radius, so end of that you can divide by 2. But now we have center, we have 5, 7. So we can just find distance between these 2 points, right? So we have 2 points. Let me write down. We have 5, 7, and we have 7, 9. And so we will find distance. If you watch video how to find distance between 2 points, you know that formula. And if you miss that, you can watch that video for how to find distance. So let's see what is formula to find distance. Is square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now we have already number here. What is x2? Is 7 minus 5 square plus 9 minus 7 square, right? Just plug in numbers. So you will get here is 7 minus 5 is 2 square. 9 minus 7 is 2 square, which is 4 plus 4 is square root 8. Now we need to simplify, right? So simplify, but here in equation, in shortcut we have to write r square. So that is distance. So this is your radius. Radius is square root 8. So what equation we will write? That is our center. Center is 5, 7, which is your h and k, and this is your r. So we can write equation is x minus 5 square plus y minus 7 square equals square root 8 square, which is just 8. So that's how you can write equation of circle from given information. All right, try to do more practice. This is especially for SAT math strategy. You can use this. Only you need to memorize a circle standard equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square. And then you need to know where h, k is center and r is radius. And you can just do this practice. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for watching this video.